Okay, now question number 8b, second part I am doing. Minus 13 by 20, 6 by 13, 7 by 12, minus 9 by 10 and 3 by 5. Now first of all, there is no negative in the denominator. Fine. Then we see all the denominators are different. Then all the denominators are different, so we take the LCM. Now I am telling you the LCM trick. LCM trick says we will see all the denominator 20, 15, 12, 10 and 5. In this case, what will happen? I am telling you the trick. Take a bigger number as 20. Now 20 doesn't come in 15's table, not in 12. It comes in 10 and 5. So what we do? We will not take 20. We go for 20's table. 20 we will not take. Then 22 is a 40. 40 doesn't come in 15's table, then it doesn't in 12. Yes. Then we go for 23 is a 60. So LCM will be 60. Why 60? Because 15's table 60 come, 12's table 10 and 5's table. So 60 is the LCM. Now we make equivalent. Then minus 9 by 10 and 3 by 5. We will take, how much we multiply to make 60? That is 3 times. So minus 39. Then 60, 15 4s are 24. Then again 60, 5 times, 7 5s are 35. Then 12 times 36 by 60 and 6 times 6 9 6 are 54. This. Now we have to write it in descending order. So descending means you have to write positive number first and then negative numbers. So positive, you can see that this is positive and this is. So 36 is the greatest number. So 36 by 60. I don't have space, that's why I am writing this side. Then descending symbol. Then 35 by 60. Then we take 24 by 60. Then we take negative. Now negative 39 and 54. So 39 is the bigger number. Minus 39 is bigger than minus 54 by 60. Clear all of you? Now we have to arrange in actual numbers. So 36 by 60 is 3 by 5. Then 35 will be 7 by 12. Then 6 by 15. Then minus 13 by 20. And the last number is minus 9 by 10. This is the answer of it. So students, in 8th question I have done only one part. One part is homework which you do by yourself. Now I am telling you how to, when you have only two numbers, how to find out the other numbers in between those given two rational numbers. What will happen and how to get the numbers in between those two numbers. Now question 9th and 10th are same, so I am just explaining question 9 so that you will do the 10th part of it. Find 5 rational numbers. Find 5 rational number between 5 by 7 and minus 3 by 8. Now students, you have to find out those rational numbers which comes in between these two. Yes. So how to get the rational number? First of all, whenever any two rational number is given to you, there are infinite numbers in between any two number, whether both are negative or both are positive, but there are infinite numbers in between any two given rational number. So first of all, you can see that these are unlike rational numbers. So first you make a like by taking the LCM. So LCM will be 7 8 are 56. Now we make the equivalent. Minus 5